Today, take you to the girliest planet in the universe, GJ 504b. Deep in the starry sea of Virgo, a dreamy pink glow, suddenly cutting through the observation screen. This alien world sits 57 light-years from Earth, like a cosmic strawberry truffle, carefully decorated by the universe itself. It stopped the world cold. This is GJ 504b, the girliest planet ever discovered. But hiding underneath that soft exterior, secrets hard enough to shake the foundations of modern astronomy. As a gas giant, GJ 504b is all contradiction. Roughly the same size as Jupiter, but 4 times the mass. Dense enough to feel like a compressed ball of metal, living inside the body of something that looks soft and dreamy. The ultimate cosmic contrast. What makes it even more jaw-dropping? Its surface temperature clocks in at around 460 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead into a river of liquid metal. The ultimate contrast with its title, the Girl Planet. Now consider its distance from its parent star, 43.5 astronomical units. That's roughly the same distance as Pluto from our Sunday. And Pluto? Surface temperatures as low as minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A world that should be locked in ice. Yet GJ 504b still burns, still glows, still radiates heat into the dark. The most irrational object in the universe. So where does that impossible pink come from? It is not a romantic gift from the cosmos. It is the collision of youth and heat. GJ 504b is only 160 to 250 million years old. In cosmic terms, barely a toddler. Billions of years of universe around it. And this world is still a newborn. Young planets hold onto their formation heat. The internal energy hasn't had time to cool. That heat drives chemical reactions in the atmosphere. Methane molecules form. And methane does something remarkable. It selectively absorbs red light from the parent star's radiation. The remaining light scatters outward into the universe. The result? That singular, unmistakable pink, blazing in the deep dark sea of stars. But this planet's rebellion doesn't stop there. According to the traditional core accretion model, gas giants are supposed to form close to their star, in the dense, dusty inner regions of a young solar system, where there's enough raw material to rapidly build a rocky core, then vacuum up surrounding gas through gravitational force. GJ 504b, its orbit is 9 times wider than Jupiter's. The region that far out is sparse, barely enough material to build a pebble, yet somehow it assembled itself into a world 4 times the mass of Jupiter. Nearly a perfect circular orbit. No sign it ever migrated. No trace of how it got there. And here's what makes it even stranger. Its parent star runs hotter than our Sunday. GJ 504b sits at an enormous distance from that star. It should be frozen. Instead, it runs blazing hot, far warmer than any gas giant in our own solar system. Scientists are deeply, genuinely puzzled. As the observations have deepened, a more radical idea has surfaced. GJ 504b may not be a planet at all. It could be a failed star, a brown dwarf, a celestial body caught between planet and star. Brown dwarfs typically fall between 13 and 80 times the mass of Jupiter. Massive enough to briefly fuse deuterium, but not massive enough to ignite true hydrogen fusion. Not hot enough to glow like a real star. GJ 504b's mass sits below that threshold, but its extreme heat, its extraordinary formation environment, and the surrounding clouds of gas and dust blur its identity completely. Some scientists speculate it may have formed through a process called gravitational instability, where gas collapses directly, skipping the long core building stage. It may even continue pulling in matter for hundreds of millions of years, potentially evolving into a true red dwarf, crossing the line from planet to star. Right now, The James Webb Space Telescope is on the case, shouldering the mission to cut through the interstellar dust and reveal the truth about this pink world. In January 2025, Webb already confirmed the detection of ammonia in its atmosphere. One more clue in an ongoing mystery. This smear of pink, 57 light-years away, has long transcended its girly appearance. It has broken our assumptions about how celestial bodies form, shattered the neat categories we thought we understood, and confirmed something the universe keeps insisting on. It is not a precision instrument running on schedule. It is a generator of accidents, a factory of miracles.